Hey everyone, Dalton Grados with Grados Capital here, and I wanted to review my trading day with you guys and go through my exact entries and exits and kind of tell you about what I'm doing here to really multiply my profits. So it's 11:33 a.m. on May 18th. Pretty much done for the day. Don't really like to trade midday, although the markets are making new lows. Who knows? Maybe we'll get some action this afternoon, but otherwise, pretty much done for the day. Um, and so this was my performance here. Um, so you have three accounts, and the totals are up here across all accounts. 1355 minus commissions, 1243, so $1,243.56. All winning trades, no losing trades, and that's really using the scalping strategy that I spoke about in my previous video, which is called How to Trade Like an ATM Machine. So you can go watch that. But I'll be going over my exact trades today. Um, Now, this is a high winning percent strategy. So, you see we have all winners today, which is a perfect day. Full disclosure, it's not always perfect. I did actually have a red day on Monday. But today is Wednesday, and I've made it all back. So, um, anyway, so we have three accounts, and we've made 300, 363, and 435, 445 in these accounts. I'll explain that in a minute, but let's go ahead and just go to our executions. So my first trade was around 8:54 this morning, so before market open. Took a short, a 10 tick scalp. It was in a downtrend, rejecting this SMA, so it came up and touched it. We entered short here and hit our target there, just 10 ticks lower. I was using two contracts on the NASDAQ here, and again, that trade was copied into three accounts, which I will, again, stay tuned because I will talk about that in a second. It's very powerful. Allows me to go from making 300 or 400 a day to now making 1,200 a day, tripling my profits. So let's go through just a couple more trades here. Okay, again, took a short. We had a rejection. So you have this 50 EMA here. These SMAs crossing down. We were down here, came back up and rejected. Boom, took a short, and then took my profit target right there, 10 ticks lower. Here it looks like we took a long. No, we didn't. We took a short. We were coming down here, right? Coming up, retracing a little bit, rejecting, and then bouncing back up here and rejecting. Took a short, boom, and had my profit target down here. All right. Here, same thing. These are all basically just shorts, rejecting moving averages pretty much, right? You had here, bearish, retracement, got in right here, took profits right there. So the entries, by the way, are the pink, and the exits are the blue. Okay. So you can see these are pretty much just sniper trades. I don't think I had any trades after that. Yep, this is currently. So those are my trades for the day, and with two contracts. So I essentially just made $300 to $400, but those trades were simultaneously copied into three accounts. So you guys know I use Apex Trader Funding. I've talked about them previously on the channel. My only affiliation with them is I do have an affiliate link that's in the description of the video and an affiliate promo code that you guys can use, which I'll talk about. But that's my only affiliation. I'm not actually like working for them or anything. I just kind of provide that referral code. But this is what I use, and I wish I had known about these tools earlier, because we see in NinjaTrader, I've basically, if you go watch my last video where I talk about sniping, I'm using one account, and basically what has happened is I've gotten so consistent making $300-400 a day sniping these trades, which there's an appropriate profit target for the amount of drawdown I have in these accounts. I have about a $2,500 worth of drawdown. So shooting for $300-400 a day is a good profit target for that. But I've gotten so consistent with it, I said, hey, and you can do this with Apex Trader Funding, which I would never be able to do just using my own funds. I said, hey, let me go ahead and open 2 more accounts, which you see here. So these are my Apex accounts. These are my profits. This one down here is my SIM account, right? But these are, so basically, let me open 2 identical accounts and use what's called a trade copier. So I have this trade copier that basically copies all of my trades simultaneously into as many accounts as I want. I can actually have up to 10 accounts here. And that is really cool, because what I'm doing is I have $2,500 worth of drawdown in each of these accounts, but I am spreading the risk. So I'm still only trying to make $300-400 a day in each account. The risk is spread between the 2 accounts. Of course, this works both ways, right? It's kind of a double-edged sword. If you're down 400 in one account, well, now you're really down 1,200, right? So consistent traders, if you're consistent, you can really benefit from this. If you don't know what you're doing yet, maybe hold off on using the trade copier for now. But this has been really cool for me. So, again, Apex Trader Funding, you can check out the link in the description and use my promo code. Today is the 18th. If you use my promo code by tomorrow, the 19th at 6 p.m., you'll get 80% off all of the evaluation accounts. So basically, each one of these $50,000 accounts is 80% off the regular price. So you can load up on them, use a trade copier, and just multiply your profits for the day. And then if you're watching this after May 19th, you can use the same code, and it should give you 50% off up until I believe it's June or July 31st. We'll go with June since I don't want to give incorrect information, but it's one of the 2. So anyway, you can use that code, get funded with Apex Trader Funding. I'd never be able to make $1,200 a day if I was using my own funds. I don't have $150,000 lying around that I'm willing to just use as trading money, right? So with this way, you can really multiply your profits. So, watch my previous video, get consistent, and multiply your profits from there. If you have any questions, comments, anything you'd like to see, don't forget to leave me a comment below, and like this video, give a big thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So, hopefully this was a cool little introduction to some of these tools that are available to you. If you can trade, there are funding tools available for you. There are tools like the trade copier available for you, where, as long as you can pull consistent profits from these markets, man, it doesn't matter how much money you got in the bank, you can utilize these tools and make some serious money. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.